Say that one more time.
Green eggs and ham. I am Sam. Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham?
No.
Would you eat them in a house?
No.
Would you eat them with a mouse?
No.
Would you eat them in a box?
No.
Would you eat them with a fox?
No.
Would you like them here?
No.
Would you like them there?
No.
I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you, could you in a car?
No.
Eat them. Eat them. Here they are.
No.
You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car you let me be. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you on a train?
No.
Would you, could you in the rain?
No.
I would not, could not on a train. I could not, would not in the rain. Say, in the dark, here in the dark. Would you, could you in the dark? Would you, could you in the dark? Maybe, huh? Well, I would not, could not in the dark. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham?
No.
I do not like them, Sam I am.
No.
Could you, would you with a goat?
No.
I would not, could not with a goat. Would you, could you on a boat?
No.
This is green eggs and ham with the hiccups.
With the hiccup.